Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you all delegates. It's my pride and pleasure that the Postgraduate Department of Physics and Research Center, they are organizing a national webinar on advances in synthesis techniques and characterization of materials in our college. Dear friends, Tulsaram Chaturchand College has come long way of almost 58 years of its service. The college has acquired the A+ grade, and very recently we have also been honored with the autonomous status. This college is a religious minority institute, and we have bagged several awards from Savitribai Phule Pune University, also been awarded at the national level. Dear friends, this particular national webinar is a pride for us because in the COVID pandemic era, we are facing not only in India but all over the world. It has changed the definition of education. Obviously, it has shattered the world of higher education, the research, and many more other areas. But dear friends, it has not hampered the urge to learn. Well, as far as the 21st century is concerned, the UNO has identified several priorities, and among these priorities, the most topmost priority is the energy. Obviously, along with the energy, we have got one more priority, and the priority is sustainable technology. Dear friends, the 21st century is the century of material sciences. This particular material science, it has opened up new avenues in the field of nanoscience and nanotechnology. Well, as far as we are going for the sustainable energy, the material science has played a vital role, and not only that, it is playing a great role in coming days also. Well, this national seminar is supposed to be a milestone in the field of research in material science, as we will be gathering together for exchange of knowledge, exchange of information, and also getting the new ideas and avenues of research in coming days. Dear friends, this national webinar is being addressed by eminent scientists, almost of national fame. Some of them are Dr. V.B. Patil, Dr. Dhole, Dr. Saure, Dr. Rajpure, Dr. Rane, Dr. Chakane, and many more others. These scientists, they have placed their best foot ahead in the research in almost last more than 30 years, and they will be addressing on these issues. Obviously, because of that, I feel that this particular national webinar will be a milestone for the material science research in coming days. I am very much happy that this webinar has come at the right time, at the right place for the people, for not only the budding scientists, but also for the MSc students who are not only willing to pass with the good marks, but also put their best foot ahead in the field of research. This particular national seminar will be proving them a best acknowledgement of encyclopedia of knowledge, what is going to be happening in the field of material science. Dear friends, the nanotechnology and nanoscience is a major tool of research in coming days, and this particular tool is going to help us in credibility to move ahead for sustainable development in the field of energy. And because of that, I feel that this national seminar will be a great help to almost each and everyone in the field of academicians, in the field of research, as well as in the field of professionals. I must congratulate on this occasion for Dr. M.K. Kokare sir, who is the co-convener of this seminar, Also, Dr. P.C. Pingle, who is organizing secretary, and Dr. Ashok Kalenge, who have taken efforts and who have tried their best to make this particular webinar a grand success. I feel at the end of this seminar, each and everyone will be happy, satisfied, and must be bagging something new in the field of material science in coming days. At the end, I wish you all the best and great success, not only to the webinar, but you also. So dear friends, after the post-COVID era, let's come forward and join hands for the new era which we are going to carve in coming days. Such a type of national seminars, definitely they are going to boost us, boom us for the new level of education, and I feel that each and everyone will be happy and satisfied because of this movement. Once again, I congratulate all those who have made this grand webinar successful and wish all of you delegates for participating in such a vital, major, important event and program. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Have a great day.